Manager SE now includes time management features in a simple and secure configuration. Service advisors can monitor status of repair work to know when certain jobs have been started and track how much progress has been made. Managers and service advisors need to see actual clocked hours to confirm where they are in terms of meeting productivity goals. Technicians and employees want to input and monitor their working hours at the shop. The job clock is used with labor operations on Manager SE repair orders. It allows technicians to view, clock in, and clock out of labor operations assigned to them. They can access this using a modern web browser on their own mobile device connected to the same local area network as Manager SE. Technicians view their own mini Work in Progress screen listing only the work assigned to them. They select a labor job and start a job clock. When that job is done, the technician marks it as completed and selects the next labor item to work on. The clocked hours will automatically populate the actual hours field in the Manager SE repair order. That means no more having to manually track and enter technician time to measure productivity. It's done automatically. The shift clock provides access for shop employees to clock in and out of their workday shift and track their hours on their own mobile device. Employee access to previous data is in read-only mode. Managers with security permissions can make corrections as needed from inside Manager SE. Current activity presents time management details in a secure, intuitive dashboard. Owners and managers can quickly confirm which employees are clocked in for their workday shift. The Current Technician Activity section confirms which technicians have a job clock running on assigned work. They can compare pay hours to clocked hours, see totals for each of those, as well as total jobs each tech has completed. Technician Job Time Cards offers a summary or detailed view of pay hours, clocked hours, and efficiency for each tech. If any clock time exceeds pay hours, it will display in red as an alert. Direct links back to each repair order are provided if more details are required. Big jobs don't always finish in time for payroll cutoff. Now shops can pay technicians for their clocked hours before Manager SE invoice posting. Export or tech recorded hours generates a report with all clocked hours to facilitate this. Employee Shift Time Cards provide summary for management overview of all clocked in hours. Clicking on an Employee tab displays all of their specific clock in and clock out details. Shops benefit every day from real-time labor tracking and automatic recording of technician productivity. Even pay technicians by clocked hours now instead of waiting for those big job invoices to be finished and posted. These valuable time manager tools are now included with every Manager SE subscription. Time Manager settings and security topics are covered in another video. You may also review the Time Manager User's Guide from Manager SE Help Documentation menu.